The oldest daughter of Senator Manny Pacquiao and former Sarangani Vice Governor Jinky Pacquiao is all grown up now. Mary Divine Grace Princess Pacquiao unveiled a new photo on social media flaunting her curves. Even her mom is gushing over how time flies so fast. Princess is the third of Pacquiao's 5 children. Her brothers, Jimuel is a promising boxer, while Michael is making a name for himself as a rapper.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.